The Cisco UCS Director Guided Setup Wizards make it easy to set up the standard components of your infrastructure correctly and achieve consistent automation in your production environment. The Device Discovery Wizard performs device discovery for your physical and virtual infrastructure. In this video, we will show you the steps involved in discovering the physical and virtual components of your data center. You can then add these components to converged infrastructure stacks such as FlexPod, vBlock, vSpecs, and VersaStack. In the Login dialog box, enter your login credentials. In the Guided Setup pane, click on More. In the Device Discovery pane, you can see the prerequisites and step sequence for the setup. Click Device Discovery, then Submit. Alternatively, in the Administration tab, under Guided Setup, double-click Device Discovery. In the Overview pane, you can see the tasks that the wizard will help you complete. Click Next. In the Policy pane, enter the range of IP addresses for the devices or accounts to be discovered. To add a credential policy for each device type, click on the plus icon. In the Add Credential Policy pane, enter the account type of the device you want to discover. Check the checkbox for the device. Enter the policy name, description, username, password, and protocol. The port number will change depending on the protocol. Choose the authentication type, and then choose Server Management. Click Submit, and then OK. The device appears in the Credential Policy pane. Repeat the steps for additional accounts. Check the desired checkboxes, then click Next. In the Discover and Assign pane, click Discover. Click View Details to view discovered and failed devices. Select a pod from the default pod drop-down list, or click the plus icon to add a pod. In the Add Pod pane, enter the name, type, site, description, and address. Click Add and then OK. Double-click an account to view or edit the account. Check the checkbox of the discovered accounts you want to assign to a pod. Click Add. In the Select Cluster Management Node pane, select the management node for each cluster. Click Submit and then OK. the assigned pod appears. Click Back to return and choose a different IP address range, New Policy, or Discovery. Click Close. This completes the Device Discovery Wizard.